Hello, this is Workflow Concepts, and today we're going to demonstrate for you our custom outbound dialer solution. We're going to go ahead and log in, and as we log in, you can see in the top left here, Outbound Dialer. We have three buttons up here. One is the Campaigns, that's the tab you're looking at right now. We also have a Calendar tab and a Settings tab here, which we'll uncover a little bit later in this video. Currently, what you're viewing under the Campaigns tab is you can see today's campaign information, the campaign name, ID, start and stop time. We also feature a throttle feature that allows us to check the number of calls that are in queue currently, so inbound calls, and kind of throttle the outbound dialing that we're going to be making so that we don't add too much traffic to the queue and overwhelm the agents. Additionally, we have the information related to the campaign as far as outcomes, status, and disposition. So as you look across the top here, you can see the total records, hit rate, calls completed, status, and then we have an array of information based on disposition here. You'll also notice at the far right, we have a schedule control area that allows us to pause, end, and start campaigns that we've scheduled for the day. So this is the campaign tab. If we click under the calendar tab, we've added information here so that you can see the historical aspect of your campaigns as well as the day-to-day. So if we scroll down here, you can see today is the 24th. Most of the campaigns have already run for the day, which is why they're in blue. And we have one campaign left to run for the day, which is why there's a difference in the text color. If we scroll back to the top, I'm going to go ahead and click the Settings tab. This is where we can limit the number of ports that the dialer is using. And you'll notice that as we scroll across the top here, I'm just going to highlight each one and click on it real quick. If I hit the default dialing time frame, this allows us to set the dialer times daily for the week, so you have independent controls of each day. If we click on the dialing properties, you can see we've added an area here to add the call prefix for the outbound calls. We also have some other settings based on the max reset time, busy or no answer, as well as the number of attempts and the retry interval. The last button we have over here is the Synchronize Campaigns tab. This allows us to click this button over here on the right that says Synchronize and synchronize the data with the backend database that the dialer is using. The dialer can use any number of backend databases such as SQL. It's really whatever the customer is using. The dialer is simply getting fed that information through the backend database that the customer manages. Thank you for watching the video. This has been the Workflow Concepts Custom Outbound Dialer.